Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to Rick2365. My name is Rick and this is your channel. So today I'm gonna bring this open box to you guys. This right here is one of the flex clamps from GoPro. It's called Jaws, and of course because of the plastic clamp, I'm gonna do an open box and I'm gonna tell you how I'm planning on using this Jaws in comparison to how I use the Karma, which by the way, I still use the Karma with the GoPro Hero 5 and the GoPro Hero 7, or the suction cup, guys. The suction cup, I use it a lot when it comes to like mounting in different cars. I got like 2 or 3 different variations of this suction cup, but I love to use the suction cups when it comes to the motor sports or attached to a helmet on somebody. Maybe when I'm doing a review, or to also use over-the-top shots with the GoPro Hero 7. I do not have the GoPro Hero 8 yet. I'm planning on buying it, but right now with all this coronavirus, I'm just holding back. So I was able to get this from GoPro. I am a member of this monthly payment that is like a GoPro Plus program. You pay $5 and then every month with that you get unlimited cloud storage and you get 50% on some accessories, not all of them but some of them, and I was able to score this one for $25. It retails for $49.99 and it has 4.5 stars review on the GoPro website. So let's do one open box real quick. What we got here? Pretty much pretty good. It's very nice, very nice. So we got here, this, be nothing here. We got nothing here, nothing here. And this is the, oh, this is the bad boy right here. Yeah, this is epic. It's not a cheap plastic, okay? I like the screws on the bottom. I like how this, I don't know if this is replaceable or not. Wow, this is very nice, you know? So let's say that I'm using the GoPro. Oh, these things are tough. My God, this is tough, man. It can mess you up big time. Also on the inside, there's some kind of plastic. What is that? Oh, you can't, this is very nice. You can move the plastic in and out to make something different, you know? If you have like a bar, let's say if you want to grab this, you can also get this tie right here, and then it provides some support like on the bottom for a rotation. This is very nice, man. Why I didn't buy this before? And it's tough to open, I'm serious. So if you're planning on using one of these guys, I gotta tell you, you gotta have a grip, okay? It's not easy to manage this. Oh, Jesus Christ, it's so tough. This is tough. It's not easy to manage this, but maybe using both hands gets easier, you know? If you can't do it with one hand, interlock your fingers, put it right here on your thumbs, and attach it to whatever you want to attach it. This is a lot easier. And then right here on top, you're able to mount the GoPro. So I'm gonna give you a tip about this device right here. Let's say that you're gonna mount this on a handlebar, okay? Or you're planning on mount it in a roll cage or something. Once you mount it in the roll cage, you gotta make sure it's secure, okay? Now, how are you gonna put the GoPro on top of this? I will say if you're gonna have the GoPro right here, do not put the GoPro facing forward, okay? Because you will have wind this way and then the vibration. I will say have it the other way, have it clip this way, and make sure that it's locked, okay? Make sure that it's locked. You saw that right there? So let me show you one more time. I was able to push it right here and it looks like it's already locked, but it's not, you know? You gotta make sure that this line right here is flush with this one right here. I don't know if you guys can see it. Make sure that this right here, this space right here is flush. So you gotta make sure that you hear the click. And then both sides are clear. Then pull on the sides. This is epic. I'm gonna use it today. I think we're going to the to the supermarket to grab some things for the house, some very essential things that we need. But let me go back a little bit more, guys, on this right here. The build quality right here, you will see they have a very strong spring loaded in this clamp right here, and the texture of the clamp is very like the texture on the GoPro Hero 7. I want to show you right now. So the texture right here on the GoPro Hero 7 is very like this texture right here. So it's very good. The texture here is very plasticky, it's like a shiny kind of look, and you can move it, you know, around, I'm sure. I just want to keep it the way it goes, you know, straight. But yeah, this is it. People are using this, you know, the way it is. Also, people are using it as like a tripod. I don't like, this is kind of big for me. I use the when I need a tripod, something minimalistic, I always use the GoPro, the mini tripod. I think I paid $30 for this one, or 20, something like that. It's very nice, guys. It's very nice. And then something that you have to know is that once you push it right here, it goes boom. You know, this is to me, this is like the perfect tripod for your GoPro if you're gonna be like handling by yourself. Every time I go out, I put the GoPro, or I bring this mini tripod with me. But now I'm gonna be bringing this too. I'm gonna put it on my bag. I put it on my bag always, you know. It's my GoPro bag. Probably put it apart and start capturing footage with this. So right now I'm gonna show you some footage that I'm gonna show that I'm gonna take at the supermarket.